In the last video, we were using query function in Google Sheets to actually extract data out of our main dataset. Some of the latest things we did was using a like statement in Google Sheets. And if you remember what like statement does, so let's say I want to pick everything that contains something. So if I did something that contains a Western with a lowercase w, that should include Midwestern because Midwestern contains Western. So the way we do it, let's get back here. After we select the calls we want, we use our word statement. And then we choose the column that we're filtering. So I was the region. So apparently that's column C, or C-like. Then we're going to say what it contains. So to make sure it works, you have to have your percentage signs. So I'm going to the Western. So if you're not sure what this percentage signs mean and all of this, please go back and watch the first video and then come back to this video. Right now because of this, that should run the function and it is still running. Takes a little bit and we should get everything that contains the word Western in it. And there it is, Midwestern. Okay, so now let's go back and take a look at this, right? So we have Midwestern. But we also have Western, but it doesn't pick up Western with like because we're looking for a lowercase w. And Western is with an uppercase W. So it doesn't match. So we can't actually select Western and Midwestern with this contain statement. So what we could do, we could use regular expressions in our query function. And the way we do it is that of using our like statement, we're going to use matches. Here we're going to say what it's supposed to match, and what it's supposed to match is going to be a regular expression. Keep in mind that I'm not going to cover regular expression in this video. I'm just going to be using some statements so we can see the results. If you don't know anything about regular expressions, I have several videos about it. So if you go to the channel, go on their videos. And here they are. I see 4 videos about regular expression functions, other functions. But if you watch those videos, you would be able to use all of that in our query function as well. So please go ahead and watch those and then come back and watch this video. If you do know regular expressions, then what we could do, we basically want to do Western with uppercase or lowercase. So what I can do, I can use my square brackets and use uppercase and lowercase, which is kind of either this one or that one, and then Western. So this should pick up both the lowercase Western and the uppercase Western. Hit enter. And there it is. So right now, oh, it does not pick up Midwestern. Right. The statement that I just did, I said that I want either lowercase Western or I want uppercase Western. But Midwestern is neither one of those things. It's basically some characters. And then it's a lowercase w and then the rest of the characters. So to say that there's going to be one or more of other characters before that, I'm going to do my dot star notation in dot. If you know regular expression, you know, it means any character and the star means any number of the previous character, which is basically any character. So that's the pattern we're going to be looking for. So if I had to enter now it works. So we are able to match Midwestern and Western. Basically, if you use matches, then whatever you use in your single codes is your regular expression. If you can make a regular expression that matches what you need, then you're fine. You'll be able to extract what you're looking for with no problem whatsoever. So if I wanted to match all the states that finish with the letter A and start with another character. So that should be like picking up this or California. We could do that by simply going back here and saying we want any character and the second character should be the letter A, hit enter. It's a regular expression. And was it C? Oh, that was D column. Okay, so I'm going to do where D matches that. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new videos.